In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign out of your inbox on a computer, and if you want, remove an account from your browser so it no longer appears on the sign-in screen. Start by opening your web browser and going to Gmail. You should see your inbox or the Gmail interface open. If you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser, that's totally fine. These steps work the same way and will sign you out of the account you're currently viewing. Look to the top right corner of the Gmail page. You'll see your account profile icon. It might be your photo, a colored circle with your initial, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where Google shows which account you're using and offers quick controls for managing your session. In the menu that appears, click Sign Out. This tells Gmail to end your current session in the browser. Signing out helps protect your privacy, especially on shared or public computers, and it makes sure no one who uses the device after you can read your emails. After you click Sign Out, Google may show a brief confirmation or transition page. If you see a Continue button, click Continue to proceed. This step simply moves you from the sign out confirmation to the standard sign in screen. If you don't see a Continue button, don't worry. Some accounts go straight to the sign in page automatically. Once you're back at the sign-in screen, you'll typically see a list of accounts the browser remembers. If you want to tidy this up, great for shared devices or to avoid picking the wrong account next time, click Remove an Account. This doesn't delete the Google account itself, it only removes that account from this browser's saved list. You'll now see the accounts available for removal. Select the one you want to remove and confirm your choice. After confirming, that account will disappear from the sign-in list on this browser. You can still sign in again later by entering the email and password as usual. It's simply no longer saved as a shortcut on this device. That's it. You opened Gmail, used the profile icon to sign out, clicked continue if prompted, and optionally removed an account from the browser. For best privacy on shared computers, always sign out when you're done and consider removing the account from the list before you close the tab. Thanks for watching, and you're now all set to log out of Gmail with confidence.